Hey everybody, it's Morgan. I am in Kara Cloyd's home office right now. I slept over at her house last night, which was so much fun. And this weekend in Columbus for this beauty boot camp, I flew in because I knew I wanted to be a part of it, and it's close enough to Chicago that I could get here. And I just wanted to tell you guys all, we spend so much of our time behind the computer or on our phones, and, it's a social media based business. So we're online so much, and we really miss that face to face, in person interaction. And so if there's ever a chance that you can do that with people, or, if you have a team that's local to you, or, your teammates are local, even if you just get three people together for coffee and brainstorming, it just takes this business to the next level, and it adds that element of these are real people that you're working with. These are real women and real stories. And just the energy in that room yesterday with 100 presenters from all different teams, is there to learn and lift each other up, and then just to be able to spend time with each other. And a bunch of us went to dinner afterwards. And then, last night, Kara and I had a sleepover. We were in the hot tub and just talking about everything. And I'm so on fire with excitement and passion for Unique right now. Do you like my lashes? My lash glasses and the glare from the window. But I don't know. I can't wait to do more of these in-person trainings. I'm going to try to go to and help lead as many as I can in the next year. Um, and I just really encourage you, if there's something coming to your area, invest in your business, invest your time in a ticket, and go and listen and learn from each other and brainstorm and connect. And I promise you, it will reignite your fire for Unique even stronger than it ever was before. And your business will take off as a result. So I cannot wait. I just want to hunker down and just work and get all my ideas out and make plans and make calls. And I'm so excited. This is like a mini convention, even with this high energy. So now I really, really can't wait for the real thing. So that's it. Just wanted to share my weekend. Hope everyone is having a great one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.